Welcome to Solve Job channel. Today we are going to discuss about World Bank. So there are most important points about World Bank. You have to remember all these points and you have to watch the videos till the end. So let's start the video. World Bank Headquarters, Washington DC. World Bank was formed on December 27, 1945. Motto of World Bank: working for a world free of poverty. World largest bank. World Bank is the largest bank in this world. Next page of World Bank. World largest bank. World Bank to provide financial assistance to poor and developed countries is the main objective of World Bank. Next important point about World Bank is a very important point because they are coming in PMS, CSS and other exams in Pakistan. World Bank consists of 5 institutions: the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, the International Development Association, IDA, International Financial Cooperation, Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. Next page about World International Bank. So they are very important question. They are always coming in different tests: NTS, PPSC, FPSC, PMS, CSS and other exams. Next page. International Center for Settlement of Investment Dispute. It has 189 members in IBAD and 173 members in IDA. First President of World Bank, Egun Mayer. Next page about World Bank and World President. World Bank President is nominated by American President. First country to avail loan from World Bank, France. The bank is associated with the term third window is World Bank. Next is about some important World Bank. So they are very important. You have to remember these points. World Bank Development Report. Next page. World Development Report (WDR) is published by World Bank. World Development Report is published since 1978. The International Monetary Fund. In next page, IMF. It's me. International Monetary Fund headquarters is Washington DC. Formed on December 27, 1945. Became operational on March 1, 1947. Member countries in IMF are 189. Are member in IMF. They are taking loan. Next important page about IMF because IMF is related in World Bank. IMF director will be formed the continent of Europe. Special drawing rights as they are issued by IMF. Indians who attended in the Bretton Woods Conference, R.K. Sinha, Chitty and CDG Descon. Next page about International Organization IMF. Yes, next page about these questions. First women to become the managing director of IMF, Christine Lagarde, the world famous economist, and participated in the meeting for the formation of IMF, Irving Fisher. Yes, next important points about these organizations. They're very important organizations. They're always coming in different tests in NTS, PPSC and other different tests. So now we talk about their secure. Next please. To secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth and reduce poverty around the world are the main objective of IMF. IMF means International Monetary Fund. So they are very important and they are doing great roles in this world because they are giving loan. This is the end of my video. If you like such type of videos, then please share, subscribe this channel. So because we are always uploading such type of videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Best of luck. Take care.